So as you see here, the process was that Yaakov and his brothers now come, they give each other a kiss, and in this passage they're going to give each other a kiss and they're going to cry on each other's shoulders. Yaakov and his father have met, but Yaakov and his brothers have not actually formally communicated, and so now they're going to give each other a hug and a kiss, and then are going to cry and they're going to talk to each other. Vayinashek, and he cried. L'chol echav, to all his brothers. Vayinashek, and he cried. L'chol echav, to all his brothers. Vayef, and he cried aleihem, on. And after that, Dibru echav, his brother spoke ito, with him. Right, we've done this pasuk in class, so let's move on to pasuk Tet Zayin. V'hakol, and the voice, v'hakol, and the voice, Nishma, was heard, Beit Paro, by the house of Paro, Beit Paro, by the house of Paro, Leimor, to say, Ba'u, they came, Achei Yosef, the brothers of Yosef, Achei Yosef, the brothers of Vayitav, and it was good, Ve'enei Paro, in the eyes of Paro, Ve'enei Paro, in the eyes of Paro, Uve'enei Avadav, and in the eyes of his servants, Uve'enei Avadav, and in the eyes of his servants. So, this pasuk says that the house of Paro heard, and as we've learned, what does a house mean? Not literally the house, but the people inside, and if you want, you can look in the Rashi. It says it more clearly in the Rashi that it's talking about the people inside the house. Leimor, what were the house of Paro saying? What were these people inside Paro's house saying? They were saying that Yosef's brothers had come, and they were very happy about this. Vayitav, and it was good. Vayitav, and it was good for Einei Paro, in the eyes of Paro, over Einei Avadav, in the eyes of his servants. It was good for Paro, and it was good for his servants that Yosef came from his family, that Yosef's brothers had come. It was good that Yosef came from the family of Yaakov. They were very, very happy. So, please revise that pasuk. V'hakol, and the voice, Nishma, was heard by Paro, in the house of Paro, Leimor, to say, Ba'u, they came, Achei Yosef, the brothers of Yosef, Vayitav, and it was good, B'einei Paro, in the eyes of Paro, Uve'enei Avadav, in the eyes of his servants. I want you grade 6s to please go and highlight for me the prefixes, the suffixes, and the shorashim in this pasuk. I will be checking it tomorrow. Highlight the prefixes, the suffixes, and the shorashim in this pasuk. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 shorashim in pasuk Tet Zayin. 4 shorashim in pasuk Tet Zayin. See if you can find the 4 shorashim in pasuk Tet Zayin. Pasuk Yud Zayin. Vayomer Paro, and Paro said, El Yosef, to Yosef, Emor, say, Alachecha, to your brothers, Alachecha, to your brothers, Zot asu, do this, Zot asu, do this. Look, guys, there is our famous Vav command, our command Vav, Zot asu, do this, Ta'anu, Lord. What can you spot there? In Ta'anu, Lord, Et Be'echem, your possessions, Et Be'echem, your possessions, Ulachu, and go, Bo'u, Kam, Arza Canaan, from the land of Canaan. Right, let me review the pasuk one more time, and then I want each of you to go and again highlight the prefixes, the suffixes, and the shorashim. I'm checking your homework tomorrow to see if you've done the prefixes and the suffixes and the shorashim of this pasuk. Vayomer Paro, and Paro said, El Yosef, to Yosef, Emor, say, El Lachecha, to your brothers, Zotasu, do this, Ta'anu, Lord, Et Be'echem, your possessions, Uluchu, and go, Bo'u, Kam, Arza Canaan, to the land of Canaan. Arza Canaan, from the land of Canaan. If you look in this pasuk, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shorashim. 5 shorashim. I want you please to highlight your prefixes, your suffixes, and your shorashim in pasuk Tet Zayin and Yud Zayin, and to learn it that you know it. You can't just learn it that you write down your translations. I want you to learn it that you know it. I'm testing you tomorrow in class to check that you know the actual pasukim. You need to know the actual pasukim. Good luck. Review it plenty of times. Thank you very much.